Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is vision insurance? Vision insurance is a contract with an insurance provider that reduces the cost of eye care in exchange for regular premiums. It usually covers at least a part of the cost of routine eye exams, prescription glasses, and contact lenses. Sometimes it also offers discounts on more advanced procedures such as LASIK, but the exact coverage varies based on the policy. Vision insurance is usually not included in regular health insurance, although it might be an optional add-on. How does vision insurance work? You pay the insurance provider regular premiums in exchange for them sharing the cost of eye care. In addition, you may have to pay deductibles, co-pays, or co-insurance. Deductible is the minimum amount you need to pay before insurance kicks in. For instance, if the deductible is $100 and the eye doctor visit costs $80, insurance will not pay anything. After the deductible is met, you may have to pay a percentage of the covered procedure, which is called co-insurance. This can range anywhere from 20% to 80%, or you may have to pay a fixed dollar amount called copay. The rest is paid by the insurance provider up to a predetermined allowance or annual maximum amount. Vision plans either have copay or co-insurance, not both. What's usually not covered in vision insurance? Vision insurance policies can have different limitations. For example, not more than one eye exam per year or new glasses every 2 years. Vision insurance plans also usually have annual benefit limits, called allowance, meaning the plan will only pay up to that amount each year. Also, some plans have waiting periods where you have to be enrolled in the plan for a certain amount of time before coverage begins. Most policies do not cover cosmetic procedures like LASIK or only offer a small discount like 15%. But the biggest exclusion is any major medical treatment or surgery for conditions like vision loss, infections, eye disease, etc. These are usually covered by health insurance. What are the types of vision insurance? There are two main types. Vision benefits packages provide coverage for specific services, like annual eye exams and an allowance for glasses or contact lenses. If the cost of the product exceeds the allowance, you pay the difference. Vision discount plans have lower premiums than the vision benefits packages, but are generally less flexible. They provide a flat discount on eye exams and corrective eyewear. Should I have vision insurance? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.